Can you get it? Can you get that ball? Of course not, because you know the camera's on. Oh, that butt is up in the air. Those arms are pushing, those knees are working. Okay, let's try one last motivating maneuver. I know, it's terrible to take toys away from babies. But we gotta get some crawling. Go get it, honey. There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job. Oh, he gets his feet all twisted up. Oh, go for it. Go for it. Yeah. Okay. Good enough for now. Thank you, everyone, for your patience. I guess we could show Max's face before we sign off. Right? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Max. Max. Hey. Hey. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.